Okay, so I just realized that if you made a mistake on a video that you just generated using the video model on Gemini AI, you can always modify or edit the video. Notice that on the previous example, this is an Asian man, but after that, I changed the character to be this European man. So yeah, you can edit an AI video in Gemini AI. Let me show you how. So here I have a video from this photo. It's basically just a camera orbiting the main object of the video or the photo. But in this case, I want to remove the man from the statue. So this is going to be the prompt that I'm going to use. Okay, I want you to remove the man from the statue, but please keep everything else the same. All right. Make sure that you have enabled the video generation, and also I will just use the thinking version and let's send a message. Just wait for about 1 or maybe 2 minutes for the video model to edit your video and you'll see the result later. Anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so I got the answer, I got the result, and yep. The man is no longer there on the horse, but I think it's gotta mess up the leg, the front leg of the horse. So I guess that's just the quirks when you are editing a video using an AI video model. Now, this feature is actually used to be available in Google Flow, but I just didn't realize that you can do the same thing. You can edit videos directly in Gemini AI. So basically just describe what are the things that you want to change on the video and make sure that it is again a video that was created by the AI model. I have tried this using a video, normal video where I upload the video, but unfortunately it is not able to edit the video. So it can only edit the video that was generated by AI. So that's one big note that you must remember. But anyway, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.